Vivo has officially announced the launch date and rear design of its upcoming flagship smartphone, the iQOO 13. The phone will be available in 4 colors: black, green, silver and white, all featuring BMW M Motorsport branding. The rear design features a tiny strip of halo light on the camera island that will act as a notification light and a regular LED flash next to the cameras. On the right-hand side of the phone, you'll find the volume rocker and power key, a speaker grill on the top, and a flat frame around the device. The iQOO 13 is expected to come with a massive 6150 mAh battery that supports 120-watt charging, making it the largest capacity battery ever featured in a Vivo flagship smartphone. The phone will also boast a 6.82-inch OLED display and the newly announced Snapdragon 8 Elite flagship chip. The iQOO 13 will arrive on October 30th.